This is Brian from Khaki Shorts. Back in February of 2020, Sarah and I took a trip to Japan right before the current health situation. One of the things we got to do was visit Tokyo Tower. Come along as we take you on a ride up in the elevator and see some of the sights from 250 meters above Tokyo. This is Khaki Shorts, where we cover travel, food, and just utter nonsense.
では間もなくトップデッキへとご案内いたします。どうぞ外の景色をご覧ください。こちらのエレベーターは地震大国日本では珍しい囲いのない展望エレベーターです。お客様と外の世界にはわずか12ミリのガラスの壁があるだけです。ただいま速度を落としてのご案内となっております。どうぞごゆっくりお過ごしくださいませ。こちらの揺れは安全装置を確認した音です。このおかげで強風が吹いても何の問題もございません。ではお待たせいたしました。
We really freaked some people out back home when we posted this picture of us standing on a glass deck 250 meters above the ground. After seeing the sights, we found this awesome family-run tempura place only a few blocks from here. This was hands down the best tempura we've ever had. It was a very small place, only seated about 10 people at a time. We've since found out they closed during the pandemic and never reopened. That's sad. We would love to have gone back and tried this place again on our next time in Japan. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos about travel, food, and just utter nonsense.